Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good Wednesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another great day in the Coffee with Craig show. This week's shows are sponsored by PNB Paribas Real Estate in Poland, and we posted a very interesting interview with Mateusz Skubiewski, who is Director of the Capital Markets. And you will also be seeing some advertising throughout the week from PNB Paribas Real Estate. So thank you again for sponsoring and partnering with us this week, and hopefully there'll be some more interesting things. Upcoming events. October, big month. We've got our magazine, our Europa Property Investment Guide with extensive distribution at EXPO Real. So we're covering all of Central Eastern Europe and all of the sectors for investment. So office, warehouse, retail, some residential for rent as well. So if you have any advertising or anything you'd like to promote, let us know. We'll definitely have it in the EXPO Real edition. And I think we've got about 2 more weeks before the deadline comes up on that. We also have our CEE Investment Awards taking place October 20th and 21st at the Warsaw Intercontinental. We have a few sponsorships still available, a few opportunities, so shoot us a little message or an email if you'd be interested in getting them. Also a couple tables of 10 still available, and we'll be seeing the short list, I think, on Monday or Tuesday next week of the nominations, so we're just putting that together. So now let's just jump right over to our exciting commercial real estate news, which you can find some of the highlights. And all the news you can find on EuropaProperty.com. And Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief, welcome. Welcome to Coffee with Craig. And
nice to see you.
We'll be back in 20 seconds and we'll start the news, yeah? So we'll take a little break. We'll be back in 20 seconds and with Winston Norman and the news. So welcome back, and we're here with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief of EuropaProperty.com, where we'll just jump right into the daily news and what's going on for Wednesday. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we'll start in Hungary today, and Atella Plaza has opened its doors to the public. It's Budapest's latest shopping and entertainment centre, located in the vicinity of Atella Square. It offers a range of stores and services, and it's Future Real's €300 million development, and it's heralded as one of the first smart shopping centres in Hungary.
Oh, okay.
So it's kind of ultra-modern with lots of innovations to cater for disabled, hard of hearing, and incorporates online and physical retail. So
sounds very interesting.
Sounds amazing, yeah. Mm-hmm. And the building was designed by Paulini and Partners and Dyer Group. They did the interior design. Mm-hmm. The complex will feature, obviously, numerous fashion stores, supermarket, restaurants, cafes, a multiplex cinema, gym, children's play area, and a wide range of other services, which are common in today's new developments. And one of the highlights of this development is its catchment area, which is it's in one of the most densely populated areas of Budapest, and there are some 235,000 people who live nearby. So
we're gonna have to go check it out.
Should be a busy place to go, yeah. Moving on and coming to Poland, an Accolade and the German AA Real Bank have closed a refinancing deal with a total value of €54 million for 4 Polish parks. Apart from increasing portfolio profitability, the refinancing is to support the execution of Accolade's strategy that aims to develop modern businesses in Europe. And according to Milan Kretina, he's the management board president and co-founder of Accolade, he says that modern warehouses with tenants from the manufacturing, logistics and e-commerce industry confirm their investment potential. They are increasing their position as a precious asset in the commercial real estate sector, also in Europe, and play a key role in the strategy of the world's biggest funds. Over the next few years, he goes on, the financing agreement means Accolade will be able to reduce bank financing costs, limit administration burdens, and increase portfolio stability. The finance portfolio includes modern industrial parks with BREEAM certificates.
Well, we know Accolade's been pretty busy this year. Well, we've been mentioning them several times.
Yeah, there's a lot of news coming in from them. Now they've entered Poland, and as we know from recent updates, the logistics market in the region is very, very hot.
Also doing well, yeah, exactly.
Moving to the residential market, and Hamstaden has set a new sustainability target and will invest nearly 500 million euros to reduce the company's greenhouse gas emissions by at least 46% by 2030. This is in line with the Paris Agreement to limit global warming. The company announced the following climate targets. They want to reduce greenhouse gas emissions by at least 46% by 2030, which is scope 1 and 2, reduce the amount of energy by 2% on average annually until 2025, and require that suppliers covering 70% scope 3 emissions will set science-based targets by 2025. And according to Patrick Hall, he's the CEO at Hamstaden, he says that we believe that it's up to us to adjust how we act and operate to collectively combat climate change. So it's very good to see a big, substantial residential developer looking out for the environment and
really taking it serious.
Yeah, it seems to be. I mean, 500 million euros is
a lot of money.
Taking it
a lot
seriously.
of apartments. Yeah.
And finally, for today, we'll move to Romania. And Romanian developer One United Properties has been added to the Bucharest Exchange Trading Index, which tracks the most liquid companies listed on the Bucharest Stock Exchange. The weight of One United Properties shares in the index, comprised of 19 blue chip companies, is currently at 1.68%. And according to Victor Capitanu, he's the co-founder of One United Properties, he says the next target is to include the developer shares in the FTSE Russell Index. We want to contribute to developing the local capital market by increasing the participation and visibility of the Romanian entrepreneurial companies in the global emerging market indices.
Well, I'll be down in Romania next week. I'll pop by and see our One United. We're always doing some business
I think
with
that
them.
would be good to catch up with them. They've obviously got a lot of news.
Yeah, that sounds great. Well, is that all we have for today, Winston?
That's all for today, Craig.
Okay. Great. Well, thank you for that. Thank you for those pearls of wisdom and interesting information. And we will wrap it up today. So everyone, thank you for joining us on the Coffee with Craig show, and PNB Paribus Real Estate Poland. Thank you for sponsoring this week's daily news. And we will see all you tomorrow. Stay safe and healthy. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.